Hey everyone, today we're tackling a common issue, repairing a tear in leather. Whether it's a beloved jacket, purse or furniture piece, tears happen, but fear not. With a few simple steps you can restore your leather to its former glory right at home. Step 1. Clean the torn area thoroughly with a leather cleaner or mild soap and water. This ensures a clean surface for the repair and prevents any dirt or debris from interfering with the process. Once it's clean, let it dry completely.
Step 2. Trim any loose threads around the tear with the use of sharp scissors. Be careful not to enlarge the tear while doing this. Step 3. Apply a small amount of leather glue to the backside of the tear. Spread it evenly along the edges using a small brush.
Now stick a small piece of leather patch or fabric underneath the tear to reinforce it. Make sure it's slightly larger than the tear itself. Step 4. Gently press the torn edges together. Use small clamps or clothespins to hold them in place while the glue sets. Be sure not to apply too much pressure.
Depending on the size of the tear, you may need to apply a leather filler to fill any gaps after gluing. Simply apply the filler, let it dry, then sand it smooth. Use a hammer to tap the patched area, ensuring that the adhesive bonds well with the leather. Be careful not to hit too hard to avoid damaging the leather further.
Step 5. Once the glue and filler are dry, gently clean the repaired area with a solvent.
Step 6. Use a small paintbrush to apply leather paint that matches the color of your leather. Apply several thin coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Once the paint has dried, apply a leather sealer or conditioner to protect the repaired area and give it a uniform finish.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. See you next time.